Hey, what's up, guys? Just want to do a little unboxing real quick. I already had to open it, and I figured maybe you guys might like to see it, maybe not. I don't know. Just want to show y'all something real quick. Pretty sure you already know. Seeing me. Box right there. Shit. Alright. I only got this because, you know, for the grand finales and all that. Plus, I'm getting, I'm a lot older, so I like to sit back and watch the show and shit, Get a little tired of getting burnt fingers and shit, so. Plus, I do it for other people, so. But, just a little 12Q shot. Not bad. Picked it up from Creations. About, I think this was $60. Don't come with batteries, though. Oh, shit. I mean, I could have got it cheaper ordering it from China. But I didn't want to wait a month, So, and then if it got broke, take forever sending it back, I figure hook up my grand finale with it. That way I ain't gotta fuse everything up and pain in the ass sometimes. Just leave it so. So yeah, I don't know, probably about 112 wires, something like that. So here, hopefully shortly, I'll be doing some demos here. I'm trying to talk to my buddy to do some here this weekend. Maybe shoot some of those Blue Thunders off and a couple of those cakes. It's just kind of hard with the weather and working and all that. But just wanted to show you guys, let you know what's up. I'll be doing more here shortly. So, alright, y'all. Peace.